Welcome to NakedTrader Tutorials. In this video I will show you how to set price alerts on TradingView. I will also show you how I use them. I'm the Naked Trader and let's start with the video. Okay, I already drawn in some lines just for example. The price alert is very useful. It will save you a lot of time, so you don't need to be behind the chart the whole day waiting until things happen that you want. Just put an alert and you will get notification anywhere you want. That saves you a lot of time. Okay, how to find it and how to use it. You can find it in the top toolbar. Here, the old-fashioned wake up clock. That's the alert button. You can either click on this button to create an alert. You can also find the same icon on the right toolbar here at alerts. Also, when you have drawn in some lines, it will appear here in this toolbar. You can also hit the plus here on the right side and then add alert. How I personally use it, I click on the line, I hit the price alert, and then here are the settings for the price alert. I want to have a notification when it crossed the line. Okay, only once. Give it a name. Interesting area for a long. And on this tab you can put your notification on how you want it. Notify on the app, show a pop-up, send email, create a webhook, play a sound and send email to SMS. Create, and it's done. And as you can see, here is a white clock now, and when this candle crosses this bar you will get a notification. I also do it with my long entries, so okay, long entry, so I will get notification when my long is hit. I also do it with my stop loss. Stop loss, create. So now you see a white alarm, a green alarm and a red alarm. And I'll also do it with my target points. Target point 1, create. Target point 2, create. And that's how easy it is. So this will save you a lot of time, and it's a very useful tool. So good luck with it. Thank you guys for watching. You can follow me in the socials. You can find it in the banner or in the description down below. Thank you and see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.